Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 that's automatically turning on with the TV. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you can stop your PlayStation 5 from automatically turning on, or even entering rest mode or turning off when you turn off your TV. To do this, if you go to the home screen and then go up to settings right here and select this, scroll on down to system. Now in here, let's go to HDMI and then go to the right, go to enable HDMI device link, and you can completely turn off this setting right here. Otherwise, you can go to these individual settings underneath and turn these off. Now, the first one is enable one-touch play. This says if you turn on your PS5, the connected device will also turn on and switch its input to the PlayStation 5. Then the one underneath that is enable power off link. If you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode. If you want to completely stop your PlayStation 5 automatically turning on or off, just disable HDMI device link. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.